Welcome to the tutorial on creating and sending campaigns to audience groups through PushEngage for your WordPress site. This powerful combination of segments lets you more effectively target and engage your website audience with personalized push notifications. First, visit the PushEngage dashboard on your WordPress site. Then navigate to the Audience tab and go to the Audience section. To create a new audience group, click on the Create button to start defining your audience group. Name your group and add a description to keep your groups organized. For instance, you might create a group for users from the United States who have engaged with your site or clicked on more than 20 push notifications. Next, set the criteria for your audience group. You can include or exclude subscribers based on device type, country, subscription date, user engagement, or any custom segments you have added. After setting up the criteria, save your audience group. The system will display the count of subscribers who meet these criteria, giving you an idea of the group's size before you send out notifications. Once your audience group is created, you can use it to send targeted notifications. You can send to a specific audience group through Post Editor while drafting posts, or send push broadcasts from the WordPress dashboard. Using segmentation and audience groups can help increase the relevance and effectiveness of your messages, improve engagement rates, personalize content, and drive better campaign results. Thank you for using PushEngage.